Ho, ho, ho! Well, hello there, good people of Haringey. It's lovely to see you all again. Thank you for all your letters and postcards. Mrs. Claus, my trusty elves, and me, of course, are reading every single one. And I'm going to let you in on a secret. You're all on the nice list. To celebrate and make sure you get all those last-minute Christmas wishes in, I'll be popping up in a variety of locations around Haringey. I can't wait to see you. Make sure you visit Haringey Council's website to find out where. Now, where's my list? I haven't checked it twice yet.